There are four types of transportation processes operating along the coastline in the sea. The first transportation process is known as traction. Now, this involves large material such as boulders, really large stones, and they are constantly being moved along the seabed. Because of their weight, the waves only have enough energy to either push them, potentially roll them, or drag them along the seabed. The second transportation method is known as saltation. Now, this one involves smaller particles such as pebbles or small stones being lifted up by the sea when it has enough energy, but then dropped when it has lost its energy, and this results in a bouncing movement where the stones or pebbles are actually moved along the seabed through this bouncing motion. The third transportation method is known as suspension. This involves much smaller particles such as grains of sand being suspended or floating in the actual waves and in the sea or the body of water. Therefore, the movement of this particular type of transportation is just the material floating in suspension within the sea. The fourth and final type of transportation method is known as solution. This is where particles such as clay or small, really fine sediment is actually dissolved into the sea or ocean or water. And this dissolved material just floats along within the sea and therefore is constantly moved through the process of transportation because it is now a part of the water.